Hello, my name is Olubodmas and I welcome you to this platform, my channel, and I'm going to be sharing with you information, useful information that has to do with how to make money. Whether you're a student or you're a working class, you still need to make money. You need to make extra money for yourself. Money is not always too much, except it's not going to be enough for you. I'm going to be sharing information on how to grow your business. Anything that has to do with useful information that is going to help your life, I'm going to be dropping here. So if you are seeing this video for the first time, try to subscribe. And anytime I post useful information like this, is going to get to you. Every of the video that you're going to be watching, do favor by commenting, do favor by liking it, share to people, and you're going to enjoy. Yeah, you're going to enjoy it together. Thanks for watching. I'm going to be seeing you in some of my video. Bye bye.